Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Homeopathy the Healing Power. So friends, as winter season have started and in this season lot of respiratory complaints get aggravated, among which asthma also gets aggravated in this season. As we think of asthma cases, the topmost homeopathic medicine which comes on our mind, that is Blata orientalis. So friends, today we are going to study one of the leading homeopathic medicine in asthma, and that is Blata orientalis. Before starting our medicine, if you are new to our channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get notified every time a new video is uploaded. Stay connected with Homeopathy the Healing Power on Facebook and Instagram to get more and more knowledge on homeopathy. So let's get started. Blata orientalis. Blata orientalis is prepared from Talapoca, that is Indian cockroach. It belongs to the family Orthopetra, and this medicine is proved by Dr. D. N. Ray of Calcutta. Now friends, let's see an interesting story behind the proving of this medicine. There was a gentleman suffering from asthma. Even after taking lots of treatment and several medicines, his disease was not completely relieved. So one day, after drinking a tea made by his servant, all the complaints of asthma were relieved completely. As Dr. D. N. Ray of Calcutta came across this condition, he interrogated with the gentleman briefly. And Dr. Ray came to know that the servant of gentleman accidentally boiled number of cockroach along with the tea. The property of this insect, that is the property of this cockroach, were infused in the tea. The gentleman took this tea and he felt much better. All his complaints of asthma were completely relieved after taking this tea. Later on, Dr. D. N. Ray of Calcutta made a thorough proving of this drug and recorded his experience in Homeopathic Recorder in year 1890. Dr. D. N. Ray then experimented this medicine on number of asthmatic patients. He found that the medicine which is prepared from Indian cockroach is wonderfully acting on this asthmatic patient and curing respiratory diseases. And this is how the proving of Blata orientalis took place. So friends, now let's see the symptomatology of Blata orientalis. The main action of this medicine is on bronchotracheal tree. This medicine is indicated in bronchitis, bronchial asthma, phthisis, where the leading symptom is dyspnea. This medicine is useful in acute cases of asthma and bronchitis, where the striking feature is seen, that is threatened suffocation. Now this suffocation is due to excess of accumulation of mucus in bronchi, causing difficulty in breathing. Due to accumulation of mucus, there is rattling sound with oppression of breathing, restlessness, profuse perspiration, and this is aggravated by lying down. There is a pus-like mucus accumulated in the bronchia during the asthmatic attacks. Blata orientalis is also suited to chronic cases of asthma, which gets aggravated in rainy weather. Constitutionally, Blata orientalis is suited to the persons who are stout and corpulent, that is, person who are short, either they are fat or physically heavy build. This medicine acts well in lower potencies, and generally mother tinctures are used. Friends, we must not confuse Blata orientalis with Blata americana. Both are prepared from cockroaches, but Blata americana is prepared from American cockroach and Blata orientalis is prepared from Indian cockroach. They also differ in their actions as well. Like Blata americana shows its action on jaundice and dropsical cases, and Blata orientalis shows its action in respiratory diseases. So friends, this is the video on Blata orientalis, a useful medicine in respiratory diseases. Like this video, share this video. If you have not subscribed the channel till now, then subscribe the channel, press the bell icon. Meet you soon in a next video. Thank you for watching.